The senior warden-elect being at the north end of the line, the master-elect standing at the altar.
Master R. Bruce Swigert. Senior Warden Jerry Blake. Junior Warden Christopher Love. Treasurer Byron Hamilton. Secretary David E. Davis. Senior Deacon Jim Talaska. Junior Deacon will be installed later. Senior Steward Earl Kreutzberg. He's not here. Okay, Junior Steward Pat Fiore. Tyler James Talaska.
James Lassiter.
Lassiter.
You said Alaska.
Talaska. Okay, Lassiter. And Chaplain Mike Crilly.
Worshipful Master, on these brethren who have been selected for their respective offices, qualified for the offices in accordance with the provisions of the code, including the provisions as to the proficiency of the catechism of the degree of Master Mason.
They are.
Brethren, behold your officers elected. If there are no objections, we will proceed with the installation. Each of the officers to be installed will place his right hand over his heart and repeat after me in unison the official declaration.